In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set ChatGPT's SearchGPT as your default search engine in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a more personalized and efficient search experience at your fingertips. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser. If you haven't installed Chrome yet, you can easily download it from their official website. Once you've got Chrome up and running, head to the Google search engine. This is usually the default start page for most users. Next, in the search bar, type in ChatGPT Search extension and press Enter. This will bring up search results related specifically to ChatGPT's search extension, and it's what we need to set it as our default search engine. Look through the search results, and you should see a link that reads ChatGPT Search, Chrome Web Store. This is the link you want to click on. The Chrome Web Store is the official platform where you can find and download extensions that can enhance your browsing experience, and setting ChatGPT's SearchGPT as your search engine is no different. Upon clicking the link, you should arrive at the extensions page in the Chrome Web Store. Now, look for a blue button that reads Add to Chrome. Click on this button, and a pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to add ChatGPT Search extension. On this pop-up box, click on Add Extension. Don't worry, this just confirms you want to install the extension in your Chrome browser, and once clicked, it will automatically be integrated with your Google Chrome setup. With the extension successfully added, it's time to give it a try. Head back to the address bar in Chrome and type in a search query. For instance, you might type Tesla newest model and hit Enter. As you do, you'll notice that the SearchGPT extension promptly jumps into action. It will start providing you comprehensive results powered by the ChatGPT AI, offering a fresh, conversational perspective compared to the traditional search engine results. Now every time you input a search query, ChatGPT, SearchGPT will act as your default de facto search engine interface, making sure you have access to uniquely generated information tailored to your queries. There you have it. You've taken a significant step towards making your search experience smarter and more integrated. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy using ChatGPT as your go-to search tool on Chrome. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.